Hey guys, today I will show you how to deposit money in the Kraken Pro mobile application. So first what you need to do is open the Kraken Pro app on your phone. Once the app loads, you'll see the home screen. At the bottom, tap on the trading button. From here, select the option that says fund your account through trade. You'll now be given two choices: deposit crypto from another wallet or deposit fiat currency. Since we're going with fiat, tap on deposit fiat. You'll then see options like depositing in euros or using Kraken free credit. For this example, select euro. Now, Kraken does not directly pull money from your bank. Instead, they'll provide their bank account details and you'll need to make the transfer from your own bank app. Once you confirm you understand this, the app will ask which account you're sending the funds from. Choose your own account and then Kraken will display all the required information: their bank name, IBAN, network type such as SEPA, and a special code that must be included with your transfer. Copy these details and go to your online banking app. Enter Kraken's bank information along with the reference code in the transfer section, then send the amount you want to deposit. After you've made the transfer, go back to Kraken Pro and tap I made the deposit. It usually takes around 15 minutes or sometimes a bit longer for Kraken to verify the payment. Once it's confirmed, the funds will appear in your account as Kraken credits or USDT depending on what you selected. Thanks for watching.